Hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial from Ademala Studios. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to sharpen your image in Photoshop. So let's get to it once and for all. This won't take any time. You have your layer here. You're going to go straight to Ctrl J or Command J. Command J is for Mac, Control is for Windows or PC. So with your layer duplicated, just right click on that layer, then come to convert to smart objects. So you're just going to convert it to smart objects. That's all you're going to do. Then right there, you're going to filter, sharpen, and sharpen max. This is where you're going to come to sharpen your image. So here you have your image. I'm going to zoom out to my image now. Just zoom in a little bit to see the change of what is happening. Sorry, that's a little bit too much. So the best place to check where your image is being sharpened is the eyes area. You're going to see a little bit of change in the eyes area. So let me zoom out it. Yeah, it is it right here. Yeah, it is it. So right here, you're going to check how your image is being sharpened. When you come to this place, make sure your radius is not more than one or two, depending on your image. So one is okay. If you take it higher than that, it's going to like add contrast to your image, which is not nice. You're seeing it right there. This is very bad. Don't do this. So your radius should not be more than one or two. At my own, I'm going to keep it at one. Is preferable for me. Then your threshold should be 0. Then this your amount. It should not pass 125. Yeah, you don't want to overdo your editing, so it should not pass 125. I'm going to put my own at 110 or 115 is okay. So just sharpen my image a little bit. This is nice and this is very okay. You can check the eye. You can see around here. It's being sharpened and very nice. So this is the before and after. You might not see the difference here, but when you do it, you surely see the difference. So if you've learned something from this tutorial, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like the video, and also comment. Yeah, see you in my next video.